These headphones over here, I talked about them previously, did a video on them. It is the WH-1000 XM3. This is my current noise canceling headphone of choice from Sony. It beats the previous generation Bose. I tested them out. I did a video. I did a versus video, and these came out on top in my opinion. I used them. I like them. Charge over USB Type-C. They charge quickly. You can cancel the noise canceling, so you can have ambient sound. You can engage the microphones to hear your surroundings. I'm just a fan of these, okay? Lots of features, very cool. I talked in a recent video as well about Bose's new product, the Wireless 700, they're called. They're going to replace the QC stuff, 35, that was so popular in noise canceling. And I think because of this, there's a reduction in price on this. This is down $52 at Amazon. It's down to $298. It's still very expensive, I understand, but a lot of people agree in the tech community. Many have made videos, for example, myself included, picking this as sort of the ultimate noise canceling headphone for most people. Travel headphone, it folds flat, very comfortable, lightweight, etc., etc. So it going on sale at all, it's not like it has to, but it's probably a reaction to the new version of the Bose headphones, noise canceling headphones 700. They will be $400, and they're coming out June 30th. They're on pre-order right now. So maybe Sony's trying to get ahead of that a little bit and just say, hey, that's fine. You got a new product. Your product looks pretty cool. We're going to cut the price on ours in advance. And everybody who reads about yours that doesn't want to wait for it, maybe they'll take a shot at ours. So it's just worth noting. This is $52 off at Amazon right now, bringing it down to $298. It comes in black as well, so you don't have to get this color if you're not into it. You can get the black version. It has an assistant built into it. It has touch controls. It has NFC for pairing. I mean, what more can I say? I'm a fan of it, and it's on sale right now, so it's worth mentioning.